Elizabeth Newton, a graduate student, conducted a study at Stanford University that involved two groups of participants. They were tappers and listeners. The job of the tapper was to use their finger to tap out a very familiar song on a table, something like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star or Yankee Doodle Dandy. The job of the listener was to listen to the tapping and guess the song. Before the tapping began, Ms. Newton went to the tappers and asked them to guess their rate of success. They guessed about 50%. Then she conducted the study and the tappers tapped out 120 songs. The results were astonishing. The actual rate of success was only 2.5%. 3 songs out of 120 were guessed correctly. 3 songs. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the curse of knowledge at work. Once we hear a song playing in our heads, it's really easy to assume that others hear it too. We tap away, assuming everything is fine, but in reality, people are not getting it. Now, think about this in the context of your work. All the terms, ideas, jargon, and examples that you use every day end up playing like a song in the back of your mind. You work inside a bubble where it all sounds familiar and natural on a level that influences your assumptions about what others know. The problem is that the song in your head works inside the bubble, but not outside of it. You can see the problem here. The curse of knowledge makes it difficult to know what language and examples will work. You tap away assuming things are fine, but people are not getting the message. That's why explanation matters. It's a remedy for the curse. As explainers, we look for the curse in action and learn to adjust for it so that we can use examples and language that works for our audience.